Today I want to unbox with you the T3 switch. As you can see, it does come with a little manual, and it comes for a barrel description as well. And as you can see, it has the 3 different types of barrels. It has 1.5 clip barrel, 1 1/4 wand, and 1/2 inch barrel, and then just a regular barrel. So this is the 1/2 inch wand barrel. As you can see, it's super weighty, and you can feel the metal. It's just a coated metal, but that really helps. The coated metal helps with defrizzing the hair. This is the 1/2 inch wand. This is really good for more of a bouncy curl. And then this is the clip barrel. And this is 1.5. So perfect. And then this is actually the base. So it clips right on. Oh. And this is a heat resistant glove. Super helpful if you're using anything with a wand. So I'm going to just show you how these clip on. So these clip on, it does show you, if you can see here, there's a little nub. And so that nub goes right in here. We're just going to clip it right on. You lock it into place to make sure this is not going anywhere. And this has 10 different heat settings. I'm going to try it out in a little bit. And I really, super lightweight in the base. The weight is definitely in the metal, but that means it's going to be super friendly for you, so you're not carrying something super heavy all the time. And so far with this, I love that I'll be able to store better in my bathroom and get rid of a few hot tools. And it'll be much easier to travel with when I don't have all of my hot tools, but I get many different options for how I want to do my hair.